YouTube, what it do? FadeMasterLos here. Hey, live and direct. And today I got a good video in store for y'all. Y'all see it, he got the dreads. We're gonna go ahead and put a fade on the side all the way around. So y'all stay in tune. I'm gonna show you how to do it. FadeMasterLos here. Before I go, make sure you click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. It's only gonna make you better. Now let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. Let's go. If you're interested in any of the tools that you see in this video, click the link down below. The best tools you can get. So let's jump straight into it. First thing you gotta do is obviously put the dreads up. Move them so you can see the size. Quick little spin around so you can see the canvas of what we will be working with. The next step is to take your comb and comb the excess hair away from the dreadlocks. Very simple but necessary. Once you complete that, we're gonna start our first guideline, which is gonna be the bald line. And we're gonna take that line around the entire head, making sure that you get it clean all the way around. Now once you completed that, we're going to take our one guard, as you can see right there. We're going to take our one guard and we're going to begin to use that comb to separate the dreaded hair from the non-dreaded hair. And we're going to go ahead and start smoothing all the hair that's standing out down with the one. The reason we're going to go with the one is because it still gives a little slight darkness, not too dark to where it looks messy, but smooth enough to where it lays down and looks clean. Make sure you use that comb to separate the dreaded hair from the undreaded hair, because nobody wants their dread cut by coming to the barbershop. Let's be real. Continue to do that around the entire head. Now once you complete that step, we're going to take the same one guard and we're going to go against the grain. So we're going to go in an upward motion, or the opposite direction of the direction that we just went. And we're going to go up maybe about a good inch or inch and a half to go all the way around the entire head. Now while you have that one out, make sure you're playing with your lever and clean up any spots that you may have missed when you were smoothing it out in the beginning. Keep in mind that I'm using the one, but I'm opening my lever close to halfway to all the way open, just to clean it up all the way around. Now once you complete that step, we're going to take the guard completely off and we're going to open that lever all the way out. And we're going to go up a half an inch all the way around the entire head. Now I'm not quite sure if you're noticing, but I'm playing with that lever from open to halfway Once I got it all the way open, all the way around, I'm coming back and I'm bringing that lever up just a little bit, halfway, to be able to give a slight blend, to be able to put that 0 guard on after, to be able to start off at it halfway open. Also, you keep a little brush on you to be able to smooth the hair out, to be able to see exactly which direction that fade is going to grow. Just something good to have. And you clean up with that brush. Definitely about to put the half guard on just to smooth it out, to see any spots that I may have missed. But you can see that the fade, the blend was pretty much in with just the 1 guard and the open. Make sure you play with that lever from open to close to halfway, and that's what's gonna really put that blend in. Continue to do that all the way around the head. Make sure you get any spots that you think you may have missed with your 1 to your open to your half guard. Make sure you clean up any imperfections that you see. Now, I'm gonna take that same 1 guard and I'm gonna smooth it out. This video strictly was about the fade, but I'm gonna just let y'all see everything else. I probably won't explain what I'm doing, but take that same 1 and smooth it out just so you have an even look all the way around the head. And that way you will be able to keep your haircut looking uniform and even all the way around, and seeming like every hair is around that same length. So y'all stay tuned, pay attention to how I do some of these other techniques, even though I'm not going to be talking about it. Strictly the fade. And I appreciate y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all for doing what y'all do, commenting, leaving good positive comments, subscribing, making this dream come true. How to master the fade, this is what it's all about. Show you how we do it. It's FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. And I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and also subscribe. FadeMasterLos here, live and direct.